Repair Cafe in Burlington, Ontario, and I'm talking to Lawson Hunter, a volunteer here. There are over 2,000 repair cafes and counting worldwide. Hi Lawson, thanks for talking with me today.
My pleasure, Robert.
I brought a lamp with my sisters we wanted to fix. I wondered if I could ask some questions while you work.
Okay, sure.
Why are repair cafes so awesome?
Repair cafes are awesome because people bring their items that are broken, that they like, and they want to keep away from the garbage dump, so if they can fix them, then they can keep using them and make them happy.
Cool. Repair cafes worldwide fix an average of 42,480 items a month. If you figure a toaster weighs 5 pounds, that is about 112,000 kilograms or 248,000 pounds. That is a crazy amount of stuff you're keeping out of landfills.
Wow, Robert, you're doing your research. Terrific.
Thank you. Who runs repair cafes?
Well, as you said, there are 2,000 repair cafes all around the world, so we fix a small number of items in Burlington, but there are repair cafes in Toronto and Guelph and Kitchener and Vancouver and Montreal, and that's just Canada. All around the world, everybody volunteers their time to help people fix their own items, keep them out of the garbage dump, and we feel very happy, and the people that bring their items here feel very happy too.
Cool. How did you start volunteering here?
Well, I found out about the repair cafes a number of years ago, and when I found out how they work, the fact that people can bring in their items, we don't charge unless it's a large part, then I thought it was a great thing for the community, and it seems that everybody in Burlington likes it as well, because we have a dozen or 20 people every time we have a repair cafe.
That's awesome. If a kid is handy, how could he or she volunteer at a repair cafe?
That's a tricky question because we prefer to have the adults look at the different items. They have more experience. So I would encourage children to talk to their parents and see if it's okay if they can repair something in their house and figure out how it works. If you don't know how it works, then you can't really figure out how to fix it. So all the volunteers that we have at all the repair cafes around the world, they may not be mechanical engineers or scientists, but they've learned how to fix different things. And they did that because when they were little, they watched other people fix things or they had their parents help them fix things.
Cool. What sort of things can people bring?
People can bring toasters and lamps and cassette players and CD players and vacuum cleaners, different things that are around the house, small household items, and we'll do our best to fix them.
Cool. What do you not fix?
We don't fix things like lawnmowers or snow blowers or cell phones or TVs, because other people fix those things already, and we try to fix the things that other people don't fix. So the big items that other people are fixing, we let them fix it, and then everybody's happy.
All right. How do you find one?
Well, you can go on our Facebook page, burlington.canada.repair.cafe, and find out when our next repair cafe is going to be, or you can send us an email at burlingtonrepaircafe@cogeco.ca. Send us an email and we'll tell you where and when the next repair cafe is.
Nice. It costs money to buy things to help repair items. Do you charge for your services?
Most of the time we don't, because we have a number of small repair items already, like light bulbs and cables and lamp fixtures, but sometimes it takes a while to order the part from the manufacturer, so if it costs a little more money, then we ask the person who wants the item repaired if it's okay if we can charge what we have to pay for the item.
Nice. Thank you so much for talking to us today, Lawson, and remember, together kids can save the world. Please like and subscribe.
Absolutely. Thank you, Robert.
Thank you.
You can absolutely make a donation. Thank you very much. Underneath, see this that nut? See how loose that is? Let's give it a try. Oh, it's going to go for the tools either.
Probably easier with the fingers.
How did you learn all this?
A lot of it I learned from my father. He showed me how to do things like this. And when I talk to friends, they tell me how they fix things that I don't know how to fix. And sometimes I go on YouTube and see how to fix it.
I'm going to count to 3, and then you press the switch. Ready? Drum roll. 1, 2, 3.